Hi all.
Welcome to Shilpa's Math Classes. Today we are going to discuss about some questions from two-step and multi-step equations with fractions. So that means you need more than two steps or two steps to solve an equation. Okay, we can check the first question. I'll write the first question. 3 over 4x plus 3 over 2x is equal to 9 over 4. So the left side has two terms, both has the variable x. So we have to combine them first. So what is 3 over 4x plus 3 over 2x? So we have to add this 3 over 4 and 3 over 2. So the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So there is no need to do anything here. Times 1 is 4. Then do the same thing with numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. Then do the same thing with numerator. So the question changes to 3 over 4 plus 6 over 4. That means they are like fractions now. 3 plus 4 is 9 over 4. So the left side is 9 over 4x, which is equal to 9 over 4. Then how can we find x? Solving an equation means you have to find the value of that variable. Then x is equal to, the right side is 9 over 4 times reciprocal of this fraction times reciprocal of this coefficient is 4 over 9. So we can cancel this and we will get x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, we can check another question. Second question. 8 over 3r minus 9 over 4r is equal to negative 5 over 12. So here on the left side we have two terms, both has the variable r, and their denominator is not same. First one's denominator is 3, second one's denominator is 4. So they are not like fractions. So LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12 since they don't have any common factors. So 8 over 3 minus 9 over 4. So we have to make the denominator 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Do the same thing with numerator. Similarly, 4 times 3 is 12. Do the same thing with numerator. So the question changes to 32 over 12 minus 27 over 12. So now these are like fractions. 32 minus, just subtract the numerators. 32 minus 27 is 5 over 12. So the left side changes to 5 over 12 r is equal to negative 5 over 12. Then how can we find r? R is equal to, right side is negative 5 over 12 times reciprocal of this coefficient 12 over 5. This will cancel out, this will cancel out. You have a negative sign here, so r is equal to negative 1 is the answer. Okay. Then next question. Okay, we can do another question. Third one. 10 over 3 n minus 5 over 2n is equal to 5 over 3. So here as we have two terms on the left side with the variable n. So we have to combine them as one term. So we have to do 10 over 3 minus 5 over 2. Here their denominators are not same. So find LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is equal to 6. That means we have to make the denominator 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. Do the same thing with numerator. 2 times 3 is 6. Do the same thing with numerator. So the left side changes to 20 over 6 minus 15 over 6. So it is equal to 5 over 6. You have the variable 2 here. So this is 5 over 6n is equal to 5 over 3. Then n is equal to, right side is 5 over 3 times reciprocal of this one, 6 over. This 5 cancel out. Then 3 times 2 is 6. That means n is equal to 2. Okay. Then next question. Okay. We can do another kind of question. Negative 1 over 4n minus n is equal to negative 5 over 6. Negative 1 over 4n minus n is equal to negative 5 over 6. So here the coefficient of negative n is negative 1. So we have to combine the terms on left side. So we can write the coefficient separately here. Negative 1 over 4 minus 1. So just minus 1 means the denominator is 1. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4 since they don't have any common factors. Here it is already 4. So times 1 times 1. Then we have to make this one 4. How can we make this one 4? Times 4 times 4. So the question changes to negative 1 over 4 minus 4 over 4, which is equal to, subtract the numerators, negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5 over 4. Okay, so the left side is negative 5 over 4 n is equal to negative 5 over 6. Then how can we find the value of n? N is equal to negative 5 over 6 times the reciprocal of the coefficient here, which is 4 over negative 5. So the negative 5 cancel out. 4 over 6 can be simplified as both are divisible by 2. So the answer is positive 2 over 3 because negative divided by negative is positive. If you have any confusion about the integer operation rules or fraction, addition, multiplication rules, I will provide the playlist at last. You can check that. Then next question. Okay. 12 over 5x minus 2x is equal to 3 over 10. So here also we have two terms with variable x. So we have to combine them. I'll write the coefficients here. 12 over 5 minus 2. Just 2 means it's 2 over 1. Then the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5 into 1. 5 since they don't have any common factors. So here it is already 5 times 1 times 1. Here you have to make it 5. So the question changes to 12 over 5 minus 10 over 5, which is equal to 2 over 5. Okay. So 2 over 5 x is equal to 3 over 10. Then how can we find x? X is equal to 3 over 10 times reciprocal of the coefficient here, which is 5 over 2. Yeah, we can simplify this. 1 5 is 5, 2 5 is this. So 3 divided by 2 into 2, which means x is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, then we can do one more question. Sixth one. Negative 5 over 2a plus 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is equal to 13 over 4. Negative 5 over 2a plus 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is equal to 13 over 4. So this is a multi-step equation. So on the left side you can see two fractions, 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3. So you have to combine them as one fraction. So this the question changes to negative 5 over 2a plus, these are like fractions with same denominator. So 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 3 is equal to 13 over 4. 4 divided by, sorry, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the case next step we can write negative 5 over 2a, then 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I can write plus 2 is equal to 13 over 4. Okay. Then how can we solve this equation next? We have to bring the constant term to the right side. So I have to bring this 2 to the right side. So the question changes to negative 5 over 2a is equal to 13 over 4 minus 2. Just 2 means it's 2 over 1. So negative 5 over 2a is equal to LCM of 4 and 1 is equal to 4 since they don't have any common factors. So 13 over 4. Here it is already 4, so there is no need to do anything. Minus 2 over 1 times 4 times 4. So negative 5 over 2a is equal to 13 over 4 minus 8 over 4. Okay. So the left side is negative 5 over 2a, which is equal to, these are like fractions now with the same denominator. So 13 minus 8 is, just subtract the numerators. 13 minus 8 is 5 over 4. Okay, so we have to find the value of a. A is equal to 5 over 4 times reciprocal of the coefficient here. So 2 over negative 5. Then we can cancel this 5 and 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is, you can see a negative sign here. So the final answer is a is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, we can do one more multi-step question. Okay, we can do one more multi-step question. Question number 7. Negative 5 over 4a plus 1 over, just a minute. Negative 5 over a plus 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3 is equal to 25 over 6. So we can see two fractions here with no variables. So first combine them. They are like fractions, so with the same denominator. So we can just add their numerators. So question changes to negative 5 over a plus 1 plus 4, 5 over 3 is equal to 25 over 6. Then in the next step, we have to bring this term from left side to right side. That is 5 over 3 from left side to right side. So that we have to isolate this negative 5 over 4a term on the left side. So the question changes to negative 5 over 4a is equal to 25 over 6 minus 5 over 3. Next, these are check the right side. These are unlike fractions. Their denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM of 6 and 3. So how can you find the LCM of 6 and 3? Least common multiple of 6 and 3 is 6. Is it? Can you use ladder diagram method? Both are divisible by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 3 multiply all these numbers. 3 times 2 times 1 which is equal to 6. So LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So you have to make their LCM 6. So the question changes to negative 5 over 4a is equal to 25 over 6. It's already 6. There is no need to change it. So times 1 minus 5 over 3. How can you change 3 to 6? 3 times 2 is 6. Do the same thing with numerator. Okay. Then question changes to negative 5 over 4a is equal to 25 over 6 minus 10 over 6. So now these are like fractions. So the question changes to negative 5 over a is equal to 20. Subtract the numerators. 25 minus 10 is 15 over 6. Next, we can find a from this step. A is equal to 15 over 6 times reciprocal of the coefficient here. Reciprocal of this one is 4 over negative 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. 4 and 6 can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3. You can cancel this 3 as well. So the only remaining number is 2 and you can see a negative symbol remaining. So A is equal to negative 2 is the answer. Okay. So this is how we can solve two-step and multi-step equations with fractions. Hope the lesson is clear. See you in the next class. Bye.